Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling restricted mode on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up TikTok and tap on the profile button in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the three lines or three dots button in the top right corner to open the settings. Scroll down the settings and under the Content and Activity heading, tap on Digital Wellbeing. Tap Restricted Mode. Tap Turn on Restricted Mode. You will now have to set a passcode for restricted mode. Make sure to use a code that you will remember, as you will need it to turn off restricted mode if you decide to turn it off in the future. Tap Next and then confirm your code and tap Next again. Restricted mode has now been enabled. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.